Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove contacts from your Yahoo Mail accounts. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser and log in your Yahoo account. So open lang natin ang ating web browser. And then once nakapag-login ka na, ganito yung makikita mo, ito yung Yahoo homepage natin. So ang next step, dito lang sa upper right side, kailangan mo lang itap ito ating Yahoo Mail. Alright, so tap mo lang yan. And madadarik tayo dito sa ating inbox, dito sa ating Yahoo accounts. So ang next step, so kung paano ba natin i-delete yung contacts. So dito lang sa right side mga kaibigan, makikita mo na dito yung mga options na contacts, yung calendar, and then yung notepad. So, isilik mo lang dito yung pinakauna na logo, ito yung contact. So, tap mo lang yan. At makikita mo na kagad dito yung ating lahat na contacts dito. So, silik ka lang dito kung anong contacts yung gusto mong i-delete. Alright? So, silik lang natin. Itap mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dot. So, i-click mo lang yung tatlong dot. And then may dalawang options dito na edit contact or delete contact. So, isilik mo lang tong delete contact. And then, are you sure you want to permanently delete these contacts? And then, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to remove contacts from your Yahoo Mail accounts. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.